Hello everyone, today I'm gonna play against a Chinese professional player. I'm gonna handle white this time. Wow, he even doesn't think anything in the beginning. Oh, nowadays I can see this pincer sometimes. Is it good? Push and cut. Before we were always thinking this is better for black. No, sorry. Better for white. I think AI changed our mind a bit. Still, it seems not bad for white. Yeah. But anyway. When you have a pincer until here, it's a bit close. That means, should I tenuki? Tenuki is better. Actually, not sure. Just tenuki first. Lower side seems great. I need to get back something in the upper side. Definitely he will try to go to the Kosumi there later if he has a chance. So lower side is not mine anymore. Just when I play this move here, this is quite obvious now. After you play here, I'm just thinking whether I can double hane or not. He will definitely dare attach. Okay, accept. That was a bit annoying just now, so I just tenuki first. He may continue here. He may just leave it here. This is one of the good plays for each other. Tenuki. Somehow I saw it in the dictionary. Then I changed the sequence first. I will try to use the hane, different juseki than just now that I wanted to use. Oh, oh, 1, 2, hane. Dang, dang, dang. Leather doesn't work. That is what you are saying now. Yeah. I was thinking why for this. I don't know whether now was the situation why I have to spend one more buyomi. But somehow I really want to do that. Extending was a bit not really exciting. Yeah, he will definitely cut here now. Definitely. And the capture here. Okay. And then Tesuji was actually not sure whether this is correct or not. Pretty hard question just now. What should I play? Oh, that wasn't what I expected just now. Okay. He must tenuki, right? Right. I don't think he can answer. Capturing position doesn't seem bad for me. Really? Alright, just answer then. If black made the wrong move is one of the supporting like now, are you sure? This seems okay for me. This push is so great for me. 1 and answer. Even 한해 might be considered.
하나, 둘,
When you answer, I can just jump here. I think just capturing is also okay actually.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯.
한해 first.
하나, 둘, 셋,
Jump.
넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱.
This is so push was.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Was it good exchange?
하나,
Okay. But here is also not so happy.
하나, 둘,
And I'm not sure cutting was helping me or not.
둘,
This is even sente. Oh my gosh, I made a big mistake.
여섯, 일곱.
Then why did I capture this if this was sente?
하나,
Oh no, shit. Okay, I'm behind now. Come on.
하나, 둘,
Oh, okay, not good, not good. Let's become calm.
하나, 둘,
It's not good because of here.
넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Okay, you want to use the call. Fine, I accept your call.
하나, 둘, 셋,
If that's not cool, he has no reason to make the tiger's mouth here just now.
일곱, 여덟.
Oh, really? Oh, this is okay. Thank you. Thank you.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Oh, tenuki. Okay, play everywhere. I don't think this is painful for me.
셋, 넷,
Push and cut first or pins?
여섯.
Okay, split first. This is acceptable. I can accept here. It was a very nice place, but I think he didn't like this move just now. Then
하나, 둘, 셋,
let me just take the base. Let's become
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷,
let's become calm down.
하나, 둘, 셋.
Okay, territory balance become not bad,
다섯, 여섯,
even though situation is not good.
여덟, 아홉.
Oh ho 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 ho. I think he will consider this move. I think I can cover there. Okay, I'm so happy. Now I break the upper side by 3. And then in second method I should do
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱.
cut first. Let's see how he is gonna answer from here.
하나,
After he defend here, I will extend and ask him whether he want to give up this as well.
여덟, 아홉.
Yeah, let me ask you. He may just use the net and then throw them away, but actually it's not that small. And this is also mine. Is one of my happy point.
하나, 둘,
Okay. Okay, now territory balance seems not bad, seems.
여섯, 일곱,
And he will think about this kind of move.
아홉.
And then, even this wasn't really painful for me. I can accept. This is acceptable. Wow, really?
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Okay, just defend and then protect this first. Anyway, he has to spend one more step to block there, and then there is capturing. I can capture this anytime.
다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Sente.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷,
I need to attack.
다섯.
I'm in the time attacking. It's not alive yet too, so he should be careful.
셋, 넷, 다섯.
오호.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Let me capture these first. It seems very good. Fine, capture.
하나,
I think I cannot get in too deeply for the center. Jump, jump, jump.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯.
Is it big enough?
일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
All the door is opened now. All the door.
넷, 넷, 다섯, 여섯.
Jump, get in first.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Oh, consider to ignore.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯.
Wow, immediately. I
하나,
couldn't expect that.
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Fine.
하나, 둘, 셋,
Wow. Oh, he found a good move. Oh no.
둘, 셋.
Oh no. He found out good move somehow.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Oh, was it too much? Too much?
하나, 둘,
Oh no.
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱. 하나, 둘, 셋.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
I was too much just now. I think I had to play just normal move. What should I do, everybody? Who can save me? My life?
둘. 하나,
I was too much.
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
How should I survive there?
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. 하나,
Okay. Is it all that?
둘,
How should I save them?
여덟, 아홉,
Okay, cut. I shouldn't give him thinking time.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟,
Okay.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 하나, 둘, 하나,
What
둘,
should I
셋,
do?
넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟,
What should I do? 따라라라랑. Here, 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 here.
셋,
This nothing is gonna work.
다섯, 여섯,
Okay. Even capturing race condition is not okay. Just try first.
하나, 둘, 셋, 하나, 둘,
Isn't it a mistake?
셋,
빵, 빵. Cut. Why I'm thinking I'm playing fast is because we both do not have enough time now. I am thinking that I should attack with the time.
하나,
Couple times go threat.
넷,
Okay, fine. Here, capture.
하나, 둘, 셋,
Somehow I'm losing the game. For this game, I don't have enough code thread. How come?
하나, 둘, 셋,
Aya. Sorry, I lost it. Even if there was no mouse missiles, I was still losing. Okay, thank you for the game. I was too much just now. Let me review. I couldn't be calm just now for this game. I think those code thread doesn't matter. Anyway, I was losing. Yeah, here you can see that. Oh, suddenly get down. I have been playing well. Just here I was little bit not good, but here I couldn't be calm. What was wrong? Let me see. Territory balance was okay. Jump was no problem. Then when he answered here, I need to continue maybe. I don't have to care the center. I can just reduce slowly. Yeah, I can just completely save this group first. Then I was leading enough. It was sharp. That was sharp. Still I need to be calm. I need to play maybe here. Still 84.5%. That means still I was winning. Even though not a lot. Somehow after this, yeah, now it's broken. He answered well. At the end of the game, even I made a mouse miss. Yeah, nothing was gonna work. If he just capture, I don't have a code thread. That's the problem. Okay, this game I lost everybody. Thank you so much for watching this video. Then see you guys next time. Bye.